Miss Sarika, and I'm coming at you with another video. In this video, I am solving question 6 and question 8 from assignment number 3, solving systems of equations with substitution. Again, this is from assignment 3. I'm going over 6 and 8, which is so nice of me, which means that if you just watch my video and follow along, you will have 6 and 8 done. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to do 6 and then we are going to do 8. Substitution means that I'm substituting one variable in for another variable. And a system is more than one equation. I'm given 2 equations and I'm solving for that system. And so I have my variables x and y. So the first equation, and do we notice it's a linear equation? 4x minus 4y equals 0. Okay, and in the second equation, y equals 2x plus 6. Well, what's really nice about the second equation is I'm given what y is equal to. 1y, y equals 2x plus 6. So I can plug in this 2x plus 6 in for this y. So let me show you now. Because I'm given that y equals 2x plus 6, I can plug it in for y over here. So let me rewrite this new equation. It would be 4x minus 4 times 2x plus 6, because we just said that y equals 2x plus 6, so I can substitute 2x plus 6 in for y equals 0. And now I have just one variable. So let me distribute the 4 to both the terms, and I get 4x minus 8x, 4x minus 8x, it's a negative 4, so minus 24. Remember, we distribute the minus 4 to both the 2x and the 6. We don't just distribute the 4, we distribute the minus 4 and negative 4. So I get 4x minus 8x minus 24 equals 0. And now I'm going to combine like terms. 4x minus 8x. They're both x terms, so I can add them together. They're like terms. Well, 4x minus 8x is negative 4x. Negative 4x minus 24 equals 0. Well, I want variable on one side, whole number on the other. The opposite of subtracting 24 is adding 24. So I'm going to add 24 to both sides. And I get minus 24 plus 24 cancel. And I get 24 equals negative 4x. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then the opposite of multiplying by negative 4 is dividing by negative 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive x. Same sign's positive. And then 24 divided by negative 4 is negative 6. I am not done yet. I found what my x term is. My x term is negative 6. And I can plug in negative 6 in for y, and I can get, nope, what am I saying? I can plug in negative 6 for x, and I can solve for y. So I'm going to use my term y equals 2x plus 6. I'm going to plug in negative 6 for x, so it's 2 times negative 6 plus 6. Well, 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6 equals y. So my x term is equal to negative 6, and my y term equals negative 6. Pretty awesome. Okay, so that was question 6, and now we're going to do question 8. And if you'd like, if any of you are interested, I can also post my work. So you would just see a posting of my work if you think that would be helpful for your understanding. Let's do question 8 now. In question 8, we have a system, y equals 5x minus 3, and then we have negative x plus 7y equals negative 21. Well, the awesome thing again here is that to use substitution, I know what my y value equals 5x minus 3. That is given in the equation. Y is the same thing as 5x minus 3. So I can substitute 5x minus 3 for y. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. Negative x plus 7 times 5x minus 3 is 7 times 5x minus 3 is the same thing as 7y because y equals 5x minus 3. I was able to substitute the 5x minus 3 in for y equals negative 21. I'm going to distribute the 7 to both terms. Get negative x plus 7 times 5x is 35x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21 equals negative 21. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Well, I have a negative x and I have a positive 35x. They're like terms, so negative x plus positive 35x is 34x minus 21 equals negative 21. So I'm going to add 21. The opposite of subtracting 21 is adding 21. Add 21, add 21. Negative 21 plus 21, I get 0, and I get 34x equals negative 21 plus 21, 0. And then I'm going to divide by 34 because the opposite of multiplying by 34 times x is dividing by 34. 34 divided by 34 is 1. I get x equals 0 divided by 34 is 0. So my x term is 0. X equals 0. And now I can plug in 0 for x and solve for y. So 5 times 0 minus 3. Any number times 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. Y equals negative 3. So my x term equals 0 and my y term equals negative 3. You can write it like this, or you can write it as a coordinate, which is 0, negative 3. Because again, what we solved for, x and y, 0, negative 3, is where the two linear equations intersect at 0, negative 3. And we use substitution to solve. I hope this was helpful. Comment below with questions. And if you need to see my work, I can post it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.